If you can, make some kebab please.
We can't have a month's iftar in one day. Where are you going, my son? Still have 10 minutes left. Finish eating.
No, Mom, I am going to pray and then straight to bed. Good night. Why are you late? Actually, I got up late, sir. And also it's the month of Ramadan, sir. I am also observing Rosa. So, it's completely fine. Take it easy. You can take the entire month off. Are you sure, sir? Yeah, actually, fasting is also healthy in a way, right? Yes, sir. It is healthy.
Okay everyone, I am gonna tell you what is Ramadan. Well, let's start from the basic. Roja is another word for fasting, where we eat nothing from sunrise to sunset.
Not even water?
No. Well, moving on. Sehri is the time before sunrise. And Iftari is after sunset. Got it? And Eid is when the month of Ramadan is over. And that depends on the moon. Eid Mubarak, my sister. Eid Mubarak. Finally, the Eid is coming today.
I cooked a lot of food today and very soon the guest will come. Get ready, my sister.
Where is my salami? Here you go. Thank you, my sister.
Mom, Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak, my son. Here is your salami.
Thanks, Mom.